Today I'm going to show you a new release for beta on RankCaster where we have enabled customers to monitor using DeepSeek. Once you have a prompt that you wish to enable, you can choose DeepSeek and then you can select your type of monitoring. I'm going to choose a brand and product mention here and then click enable monitoring. So this is gonna take some time to get working. We process this in our background and we can see on action how this looks like. For this prompt, it's already working on DeepSeek. We have analyzed 9 out of 10. We can see all these resources came from DeepSeek. Please test it out. Now it's currently only enabled for admin users on beta version. And yeah, looking forward to hear your feedback how this could work.
Old SEO is turning into stone. AI decides who's taking the throne. Capture the intent the customer's feeling.